Several schools across the island resumed classes today ahead of the official start on October 5. So how are they adjusting to the new norm? As Giovanni Dennis now reports, there are some challenges and concerns.
So these are some of our 5-year-olds who have joined us this morning for the first day of the school term.
These are students of the Little World Early Childhood Center and the voice of newly installed Principal L'Oreal Bennett Plummer.
How has it been so far?
Well, so far it's okay. We started on time. We started at 8 o'clock in the morning. We had our devotions. As you see, our students came in their uniform, fully dressed and ready for school.
The school built an additional classroom to meet the government requirements.
This is the new classroom that was recently built by the administrators here at the Little World Early Childhood Center. I can still smell the fresh paint and cement. I can also observe the physical distancing preparation being put in place for the start of a new school year, never before seen.
Preparation, though, is one thing. What is it like for parents and children at home? I spoke with Jodian Barnes and her daughter Khalees during their Zoom class today.
As you know, they're children, and their attention span is not so large, but it's not much of a challenge because she gets to see her other classmates, so she's intrigued.
5-year-old Khalees desperately wants to play with friends again.
We want to make coronavirus to go away and make me do anything we want outside without the mask.
While the team here quickly adapted to the online platforms, there are some activities and interactions that simply can't be replaced. What do you miss about having the kids here?
The noise, me jumping up and down. The teacher calling you every minute about something. Although sometimes if you're online, they still do the same thing. But then I like to see them physically. I love them.
Sky Geddes attends Stella Morris Prep in St. Andrew and is in grade 6. She enjoys online classes.
I like that I get to learn within the comfort of my own home, and I don't have to travel to school in the mornings.
The teachers also like the relief from the morning traffic, but they have concerns.
In terms of the actual teaching process, they prefer to have the hands-on with their students because it's harder to engage them online and to hold their attention, especially for students at this level, the younger ones whose attention span may not be so focused.
Over in Clarendon, a drawback for the Little World staff is the apprehension of some parents.
COVID is not going anywhere right now. So we cannot afford the children to suffer any more learning loss.
Giovanni Dennis, TVJ News.